Hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial, and as I promised, now we are going to create tables using SQL. Now I am using PHP myadmin, but we will not create database from here. It will be very easy to create databases from like this. You can name your database and you can click create and it will be created. But no, we'll be creating it by SQL. Okay, so guys who don't know about PHP myadmin, you can download it free. You can download XAMPP, or you can also download WAMP. It's basically a server, and within that package you will be getting this PHP myadmin. So I'm showing you how to download it. Just go to Google and just type WAMP, and this first option, click it, and just wait, it's coming. From here you will be redirected to this website, and go to downloads, and from this link you can download the WAMP server, and within this WAMP server you will be getting the PHP myadmin. See, it's written here Apache, PHP, MySQL, then PHP myadmin. This whole thing you will be getting in this package. So I'm not downloading it because I have already owned it. You can download it if you don't have. Okay, so I'm closing this, and let's start. So after installing it, you can go from your local browser. You have to type localhost. From there you can go to PHP myadmin, and this page will come. And from here, now the most important thing I want to tell you, that we are creating database, tables, everything using SQL, and not we are creating it manually and not from here. Okay, so let's go to SQL and let's create first database. So now, if to create database, you have to write some syntax or query in SQL. So to create database, you have to write create database and the name of your database. So I'm giving say phone book. Okay, oops, I'm spelling it wrong. Phone book. So this is the name of my database, and this create database you have to write, otherwise you would be getting an error. Okay, so these are inbuilt SQL query. So then click go, and your database is created. See, here you can see we getting database phone book. So you enter it. So no tables found in database because we haven't created any tables. So in this way you can create a database. Okay, and we will be creating some tables to it. And to create a table, again go to SQL, write create table, and this time we are creating table, so we have to write table instead of database. Create table, you have to give a name of your table. Okay, so I'm giving what to say, let's create numbers. I'm giving it numbers because we are creating a phone book, so phone book should contain numbers and names. I'm creating you can create your own table. So I'm creating numbers, and click go, and see, it's given create table numbers. Oops, sorry, we have done a mistake. I've done a mistake. So sorry, we haven't entered any fields. So create table numbers, and we have to create the fields. Okay, so now to create a fields, give one open bracket, and now the fields. Now I'm giving name. Okay, name should be Vacha. Now let me write the whole thing and then I will explain it to you. And then ID, I'm giving int, and okay, this should be auto increment. Let's click this auto increment. Auto increment. Let's forget this, don't mess it up. I'm creating the basics. So we have to use, always remember we have to use comma and not a semicolon. And phone numbers. So I'm making a lot of mistakes. Oops. Phone numbers. So these are our fields, and this should be also, let's take int. Okay, and you can give any value like 12. That's okay, and close this thing. So now we have created our table. The name of the table is numbers, and we have three fields: name, ID, and phone number. And the name now, Vacha is a data type. Okay, Vacha is a data type for which possesses characters, and int possesses numbers, and here also int possesses numbers. So name should contain characters of maximum of 20, and phone number will contain integer values maximum of 12. So these are the basic things. Okay, so let's create go, and yeah, let's close this and see. Your SQL query has been executed successfully. So and see, the number table has been, see, there are three fields: name, ID, phone number. There are three fields inserted in our database, and so these are the pretty things to create database and table using MySQL query language. We have done it manually, so practice at home. I will be back with exciting things with MySQL, so wait and watch. And these are the basic things. You have to learn the basics so that you can go on and carry on with the tough ones. So these are the basic things. So I will be back in the next tutorial. For now, bye and thanks.